Here's Zakk out here. What's he doing?
Right now, big boy.
Zakk. Nice elbow. Did you have the inventing here?
He asked me at number 1. He said he didn't bring it out here.
I want you to put this on like a public memo if you could.
I can.
Don't listen to anything that ICAW says.
That's pretty much a standing rule, you know, in the committee, but
Especially where everything is with company policy, broadcast announcement,
Diet Coke.
you really enjoy all this commentary about the T-shade though that you don't get your product unless you got a contract. This is true. You gotta make money off that stuff. It's actually a good place to sit.
He's just a little tired.
Sit.
Referee's on top of this match so far.
Wow.
He's trying to assert his authority.
Break off Roman knuckle lock. I also invented that.
She invented the internet.
Oh yeah? Thank you.
I like it when Zakk said it. We got the yellow crowd. Takes care of that for us.
Okay.
Arm bars.
Are you gonna come out here with your list of things that you
What now, punk?
Blood talking trash during the match, during a poll.
Come on,
That's dedication.
That's interesting.
Get it, ref.
He's actually going to keep him out of that.
Apparently. I heard two.
Okay, only a one.
I'm hearing a lot of two, but
You must have caught him off guard the first time.
come on. Making friends everywhere they go.
I give up.
I heard somebody say I give up.
What?
I heard somebody say.
You say you got a knife?
One looks very frustrated with his inability to get one of the 2 count. It's the first 3 minutes.
Bear down his armpits for the crowd.
Showing what a fine Canadian athlete looks like.
He's now showing him what the bottom of his shoe looks like.
Also a fine Canadian.
Wow, that was beautiful. Is that how you attract mates? Attracting mates?
Yeah.
Oh, now the ref's interested in getting people out of the ring.
What are you doing?
First time tonight.
Ow. I'm sure we're the big of the ref right now.
Give me a boot.
That call for a boot. Oh, we got 2.
Nice. Yeah, that's teamwork, folks.
They're just going to keep Sykes isolated. This is just going to get ugly real
I
fast.
think that's what they're trying to do. But that's good tag team wrestling, though. You get one guy, you keep him in the ring, and you beat him to death.
Just kept him.
Keep them on your side and beat them away.
Bring them over here.
Sykes one fan cheering for him over there. Nobody else seems to care.
Just that oh, somebody can clap. Hey everybody, we got rhythm night.
Come on, Bob, look at what he's doing. Get him out of here.
I haven't been drinking yet. Too much.
Dalton needs to stay out of the ring. He's just costing Sykes a world of pain.
Come on.
No one claimed Dalton was smart, though.
Yeah, right. Shut up, stupid. One.
So anyway.
You ain't nothing, Paul. Get them ready. Kick it. There you go.
They're just picking their shots. Sykes is done.
I was gonna say I went to a wrestling match and a game meeting broke out. Did you see
What it
this?
looks like. We just hope nobody's videotaping this.
Yeah, it might be ugly.
That 3 ICAW members going to jail.
Might be.
Zakk taught him that move.
Really?
Somebody told me while ago he invented everything, so he had to teach it to everybody.
Apparently. Somebody had to mimic it.
Hey, Zakk!
Pretty sure I heard a rib crack that time.
Something like crunch. Wow. Nice bridge there.
Hey, where's your boy Austin Baker?
Still. Once again, there's ring posts and wrestlers' butts in my way. You're gonna get robbed to me from over there. What's going on? So that he can, I can tell what's going on.
Just in a series of mirrors.
Come on.
Yet again.
Doing those overhead concave mirrors like they used
I heard a tag.
shoplifting. One of those concave shoplifting mirrors that put over the ring.
Everybody on this side of the ring apparently didn't hear the tag. I heard the tag.
I heard something go pop.
Alpha like a straight out taunting the crowd.
Seriously, I think we were going to kill Sykes here the way they're going. I think that's what they were hoping for, is to just get Sykes in the ring.
I don't think it mattered who they got to ring. This was their plan to get a man, isolate them, and just toy with them.
They did a good job of that.
Oh, they even learned Mr. Danger Zone into the ring.
They tricked him into it.
He's a multiple-time champion, and
He
he
should
still
have seen
fell
that
for it.
coming.
Tapped out!
Veteran that's been in the business that long, he really should have seen that coming.
The referee wouldn't know if he tapped out. He wasn't in position. He was dealing with somebody that won't stay on their side of the ring.
Come on.
Thanks for pointing that out to us.
It was a clean break. What, would you expect anything different?
Look out, Dalton's in the ring.
Oh, and Dalton's out.
And this is
Superior wrestling!
Wow, he kicked him in the head superiorly. I don't know about the wrestling part of that.
that's not really necessarily the weakest part of Dalton's body. So there's really nothing there.
Take that, Dalton! Come on, Xbox down! Hey, T.
I still think they should have checked his bandana. It could be loaded.
Yeah, but gun or something.
There's nothing else in there.
Got that gangbanger. Maybe he's got a gun in there.
He's done! No more!
Heard a story about a guy in that gangbanger having a machine gun in that
Get him out of here! Grab your fucking hand!
don't know. I know there was somebody once before that tried to claim royalties on wrestling moves. Now we're calling video game stuff? What the heck? Dalton Diamond Company. Uh-oh. Yeah. There's been a lot of people eating rank and just the turnbuckle phenomenon.
This shot's just kind of sunk in on that.
I guess this is like a new diet fad or something. Eat the turnbuckle.
Actually, use Dalton's own move against him. That's just insult to injury, literally.
There you go. Of course, Zakk.
Go ahead and cheer for him. Come on, it's not going to make any difference. He still can't make a tag.
To his corner. Somebody's got to get up. Somebody's got to do something here to win. You can't make a tag laying on your face.
Match is over.
You can't cover it laying on your face. You can't beat a count laying on your face.
I can't see if Dalton's going to make the tag or not, Rob.
Fuck tag.
I said at the beginning of the match. I have no idea who's legal.
I would do it, but you know, I'm sitting here.
Uh-oh. Not gonna happen. Double super kick. Referee's just gonna allow this.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah, it's just out of control.
All three men in the ring.
So that game beating turned into a riot.
And the referee's okay with it. Well, he can't stop him.
Well, I can.
He's waving his arms around.
We can make that point all night long. I mean, he can just call it now. His discretion to give him.
That's out of the way.
Oh,
Sykes was at the super kick.
I'm not sure who the legal man is.
I lost track a long time ago. I'm pretty sure the referee doesn't know who's legal. So,
How do you call this?
we'll just call that decapitation by Sykes.
Seriously, how can you call this match at this
I'm
point?
not sure.
Shouldn't this just be thrown out?
Total control.
Got thrown out.
Let's go clean house here.
Yeah.
World fusion. It's over.
Should
You don't get up from that.
a wrestler from Canada be doing Emerald Fusion? I mean,
Yeah,
they're red and white though. No, not green.
They're fake here.
Is that like a Canadian tuxedo?
Vicious storm of black blood.
Into that.
Alright, so we're gonna go with the last two guys in the ring. Is that ref? We got bodies all over the place out
I
here.
kind of think maybe they're actually the legal men because I remember other team and Slade tapping at the same time and then pretty much our head is. Oh my god. Oh. Serious.